Thank you so much. We're back on Apex TV UG. You can subscribe on our YouTube channel right about now. I'm at Discount Hotel with the Edwiz dances. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you, Apex TV? This is your boy Edwiz dances. Your girl's favorite dancer. Your favorite dancer.
Your girl's favorite dancer?
Of course, everyone's girlfriend. I like every girlfriend's favorite dancer. Go in a go girlfriend. I'm your favorite dancer. Who is your favorite dancer?
Ataina boyfriend, totally favorite dancer.
I'm your favorite dancer.
Every girl's favorite dancer.
Yeah.
How long have you been doing this? How long have you been dancing?
It has been a long time, a very great experience. I think I started 2016, 2015 there. That's when I started being serious on it, like being a career. But I started going back from church. Tandikira mu church obimanyi nengamba ekiri commercial, like to get money to earn from it and to take it as a career. 2016, 17, 16 there.
Ekintu kino kikola nga okyagala or you had to go through some training?
I didn't go through any training.
It's just a talent.
It's just a talent. It's God given. Nkyagala nnyo era kindi munze ensonga kulwaki nze mu bulamu buno obwensi everything I have it is because of dance. Everything I have. Tewali kye najja mu bakazi. Grenade.
Even naye muganda wange okira omulese.
Kyokka ebyaddala sina kye najja mu bakazi, sina kintu kyonna, sina kirala kyonna kyenkola okuggyako amazina. Era ensonga kulaki abawala bandekawo nnyo kubanga ku makya nkera mu rehearsals, ekiro performances, ate omanya amazina obeera okooye, so ensonga kulaki bandekawo nnyo ne izero.
Okuzina kuno, it's like sort of an exercise, what I should call it. Don't you usually get like injuries? How long does it take you to heal? What's the process?
We do really get injuries because bintu byamanyi na bwongo, we do really get injuries. Naye ndozo to recover like for 2 weeks, not daku dance floor. Yeah.
Okay, so this is your entire team? Oba wali abalala abatasobodde kujemba?
Edwiz Dance Company signed 50 dancers. 50. I do have 50 dancers. So, chisinzira ku gig, chisinzira ku event. So if they tell us that because we contracted to dance for John Black for his concert, so I came with a few. Nenga tuli banji, mulimu abawala, mulimu banji. Mulimu abawala, yeah. Era omuntu yenna nga alina gig nga yagala Edwiz dances, nga yagala abawala be bali. I have over 20 girls and over 25 girls, then the managerial body. Yeah.
Okay, so should we say that what you carried Tumbara is cream la cream or what are you now?
No, it is not the tetrina mu cream, tetrina mu ife bwetufuna omulimu. Of course, the tubera na gig Edwiz Dance Company is working somewhere else. Kati nze nkwata nengamba kati mwe mugende no mwe wali oguno omulimu no wali oguno omulimu kati ogwetagisa ddala face ya Edwiz is where I go. Okitegeera nti John Black contracted Edwiz okumuzinira, so sisobola musindikira abantu nesibaako. Kitegeera, so that's why I'm here. I'm in Barara and nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Please tell us what you love about dancing, what attracted you, what connection do you have with him as a person, please?
Yo Mbalala, this is your boy Eko de Ganga. I'm an artist. Ndi muyimbi. Kan Edwiz twava daga tukola wamu.
Kuva buto?
Si kuva buto?
Kuva emabegako?
Kuva emabegako. Ne musinkana ne tufuuka ba Luganda.
Gamba si business. Mwina ne friendship about?
Yes.
Okay, chakabi. Omulala?
Nze bamutadi Banzdi. So nze bwenalaba Edwiz namulaba ng'omuntu ow'enjawulo, okitegeera. I know agenda akala okuntuusa, okitegeera. Because I want to be famous, okitegeera. era nga kyenjagala mbeere omusajja w'amaanyi era omusajja oyo mwagala nnyo.
Then these are the other people.
Hey everyone, it's your boy Mavo Kampala, official stylist.
Mavo Kampala. Oh, okay. Yeah, I have.
Fashion stylist, the most expensive stylist in Uganda.
He's the official stylist.
Yeah, I was contracted to style John Black for all the Airbus concert and the tours.
So you're the one dressing him for tonight?
Yeah, every trip.
Nzikiriza nyombe nawe ne John Black after this interview.
Atiraji tuyomba.
I know what I'm facing.
Lapa feda kunsonga chova.
No, not that. I'll explain after the interview.
Okay, no worries then we can.
So you also dance?
No, I'm not a dancer. I'm a fashion stylist, creative stylist. Yeah, that's my specialist.
Okay, but that's very good. How do you find it?
I find it cool because everywhere we've been, the audience has been accepting John Black, the audience has been vibing with John Black, and the audience has been vibing with every kind of creativity at the concert. So I find everything so awesome.
Okay, that's good. Then the last one?
Yo, Gavin Beat dancers. Yo, chilling out with Edwiz dancers.
Edwiz, mbade nja kubuzayo chisemba. How do you get to collect such like the entire team?
Ekitegeera class attracts class.
Tuleke mnawe. Omuntu asamusikano gamba this is it.
No, nso omusinkana nero mbano zokanenda embeera zo. Ekitegeera bwe bazitujjaamu it's okay. Bwe batazitujjaamu of course nti buli omu because abantu bangi abavubuka bangi abagala okuzina ne Edwiz out there. Singa nali collectinga buli omu singa ndowooza nina over 1,000 and millions but waliwo byetwetaaga ngwaliwo byenetaaga nga nze Edwiz in my company. First of all it is talent, second passion. Omanyi passion drives everything. Omuntu waba akyagala ajagamba tugende mbala tugenda performing okay nalinye motoka natandika okujja kitegeera so passion okubanga akyagala in rehearsals nga like availability weeri nga olina okubeera mu rehearsals every time we get be like because if kati otulaba twarehearsinga dda routines zetugenda okukola ku Christmas ate ku Christmas tulina over a lot of gigs like okitegeera so twabirehearsinga dda so availability enkulu.
No,
that's why
are you sure? You can practice something for December.
How do you earn? How do you get your living? Like how do you live?
Personally, I'm a presenter. I'm actually into the entertainment industry. It's different for me. With me, it's just talent. Not everybody can do this. There's second of scripting or something. It just comes into my head and boom, I have it out.
So, it's your talent. You're the best. You have it. You own it. So we own it too. We can rehearse. Netugamba eno routine ya December nga 25 netuteekamu ku nnyimba eziriko mu mix netugamba kati eno routine tuteekemu party after party tuteekemu tell me horrific from America you get yeah so that's it. It's all about owning you like nogamba me I'm Edwiz I'm a dancer I have to do this I have to do this I have to do this and I live out this.
Shemanyi abantu bokola nabo bavubuka bato they are the youth abavubuka they're not very easy people to work with. That's what I know. True. You do drugs, you're sex addicts, you do very many things. How do you get to keep with them?
First of all, profile, personality. Biragala njaga nebiranze byesima kwanza sina kyenkozesa tebikirizibwa.
Tokiriza babikozese mu biseera byabwe eby'eddembe
basobola obikozesa because omuntu togenda mufuga 24/7 naye if it is work if it is rehearsals kujjako masimu oba kuteeka mu flight mode masimu oba kuteeka mu silent tukola rehearsals bwe tumala amasimu ne gaddako naye nogenda n'okola ebibyo ate bwe tuba tulinayo gig of course so agenda ku stage ng'otagala omanyi amazina tekulinga okuyimba omuntu amala oyimba oluyimba after okuluyimba mu studio kyaluzaako aza mukulu craminga n'agamba nti obanga bonagamba tell me yagala tugende wanga yalukwata yalukraminga kitegeera
agenda duyimba leero nencha neluli kituufu
naye ffe kati muganda wange nze nenja nenzinaawo stroke you get nencha nondanga nkikola nencha otuuka nogamba no
obikowa true that's true
okubeera like monotonous so that's why omuntu abalina okubeera sober mu mazina you have to be sober 24/7 so that you can master because amazina tugamba nti into 1 2 3 4 5 to master that you have to be sober of course tosobola kijjukira because jjukira n'abayimbi abamu atuuka neerabira layini ze n'owulira nga ayeberere namala n'apiiki I know naye kati fe amazina toleka layini n'ogamba kampiikinge mu maaso no a routine is a routine from start up to the top. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. I want to thank you personally for supporting the youth, helping the youth. Omanyi omuntu bwabeera ngali idle. They say an idle mind is the devil's workshop. Omuntu bwabeera ngali idle nga talina kyakola. They tend to do so many crazy things. I thank you so much.
Pose nekirala. Ogambye an idle mind is the devil's workshop, right? Girls are devil's workshop.
Tuleke mnawe.
Bonona buli kimu.
So all of you are abstaining. Kituufu.
We are not abstaining. Of course, we are normal. No, bade nani? Oli ku manager gomanyiira. Hey, gwenno. Ate tonnemesa.
Mulimba, this is the land of milk and honey. Abakazi bonna basibuka eno. Nabe muyina eri mukibuga basibuka eno.
Abakazi basibuka eno kwabola omuntu ali mu kunkolako interview.
Tulekemu. Thank you so much for honoring my interview. Keep logged in, keep tuned in. Tonight it's Ayaba's concert with John Black at Egypt Motel and it's going to be lit. Don't go off.